In this tutorial, you will learn how to prescribe using ScriptSure. There are 3 ways you can start a prescription for a patient. The first way is to go into the patient's chart. Go into Notes, Add Note, create a blank note, then select Insert and Prescribe Medication. Click to prescribe, and this will take you to the prescriber window. The next option is from the patient profile. You can click Action, then New Prescription, and this will also take you to the prescriber window. The third option is from the Prescriptions tab on the side panel. Click Prescriptions, then New Prescription, and this will also take you to the prescriber window. Inside the prescriber window, you have quick access to messages which will show if there are any errors. If the patient has drug history on file, that will show here. Reports for any audits will appear here as well. Here you can select from any favorite medications you have saved, or you can create a new favorite or create a compound. Here you look up single medications by searching by name. In this section, you can look up a compound by ingredient or freeform. For this example, let's look up a single medication. Let's select doxycycline. First, choose the brand option here. Next, enter the instructions. Then the quantity, select the unit, maybe it's A, tablet or syringe. Available, then select number of refills. This toggle prevents generic substitution, and this toggle prohibits renewal requests by the pharmacy. Next, ICD-10 codes are listed here and are optional. You can include one if needed. If there is already an ICD-10 code linked to the patient in the tracking system, it will be sent automatically. In this box, you can add any notes for the pharmacy. On the next page, search for the pharmacy you want to use. Enter the pharmacy name, state, and zip code. This will show all pharmacies closest in proximity. Select the pharmacy you want and click Next. On this screen, you see a summary of what is being sent to the pharmacy. This includes the medication, directions, quantity, refills, and whether substitutions are allowed. Confirm the pharmacy details the patient, then click Create Prescription. This will take you to the ScriptSure page. Confirm that everything looks correct: the medication, substitution settings, quantity, unit, refills, directions, and pharmacy. If you need to make any changes, you can edit them here. You can also add notes for the pharmacist and include any allergies. When everything looks good, send it to the pharmacy. There will be one final screen to double-check everything. Review the medication, refills, quantity, pharmacy, patient, and provider. When everything looks good, approve and send. Once the prescription has been sent, you will get a webhook from ScriptSure. We go into the patient's profile, under the Medical Info tab in the Prescription section, and there you will see Prescription. It may take a few minutes to populate. That is how you prescribe using ScriptSure.